In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Beehiiv email link quickly and easily so you can start sharing your sign-up page and collecting subscribers right away. This is a simple but important step if you want to grow your newsletter. Add your subscribe link to social media or place it in your bio, website, or videos. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account using your normal login details. Once you're inside, you'll land on your publication dashboard. This is the main control center for your newsletter, and from here, you can manage your content, settings, and website. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Website. This is where Beehiiv stores your publication website and sign-up page settings. Once you open the website section, you should see options related to your public pages. Now, open your website or sign-up page. Depending on how your Beehiiv setup is organized, this may show your main publication site, and the subscribe page will be part of that public-facing website. What you're looking for is the page that allows new visitors to join your email list. Once the sign-up page is open, go to the address bar in your browser and copy the full URL. The important part is that your Beehiiv email link should end with subscribe. That's the direct link you can share with your audience to send them straight to your sign-up page. After copying the link, open a new tab and paste it in. This is a really important step because it lets you test the link before you share it everywhere. Press Enter and make sure it loads correctly. When the page opens, confirm that it takes you to the Beehiiv sign-up page and not to an error page or the wrong location. If everything looks right, then your link is ready to use. If it does not open correctly, go back and make sure you copied the full URL from the website or subscribe page. Now that you have your Beehiiv email link, you can share it anywhere you want to collect subscribers. Add it to your Instagram bio, YouTube description, X profile, website buttons, newsletters, or any place where you want people to join your list. The easier you make it for people to subscribe, the faster your audience can grow. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want more simple guides just like this, stick around because I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to get your Beehiiv email link.